Primetime News this evening, BOJ announces service standards for ABMs. Stakeholders react. Case backlog decreasing in parish courts. And why an international celebrity is in Jamaica for a hearing on alleged abuse at a St. Elizabeth-based home for troubled teens.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we have reactions from two major stakeholders to the new service standards for ABMs. Plus, it's a Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Well, guess what? Jermaine Brown is standing by with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Thank you, Javon. Well, the Jamaica's athletes are back home from the Carifta Track and Field Championships with a chock full of medals and some stories about what took place. We'll tell you about those and lots more a bit later on.
I definitely can't wait for that. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the Bank of Jamaica's service standards for operating ABMs?
And you can share those comments facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.